Good morning, Aspen students. This video is to walk you guys through how to use Quizlet Learn. This is an activity that we're going to be using a lot during distance learning, so it's helpful that everyone gets a feel for what it's going to look like. I've set up a training class with my faux student, so this is not a set that you're actually going to practice. You'll have your own classroom where you'll be able to access all of your links. When you log in to Quizlet and get to your class, you're going to see the list of all the different things that we've studied. Right now, I'm going to walk you through how to use Quizlet Learn with a vocab set about los colores. When you open up your video, the first thing you see are flashcards. This is a great way to practice, get used to what the words are, so that when you go on to do different activities, you've got a good base knowledge of what you're working with. I'm going to click on Learn. And it's going to keep asking you questions until you are done. You are not done until Quizlet stops asking you questions. You can see right here, I've got 10 words remaining to learn. After I've gotten them right, they're going to move from remaining into familiar, and then those are going to move down to mastered. You are completely done when all 10 words have gone through familiar down to mastered. So first it gives you a word in English and you've got to pick multiple choice which one it is. I'm going to do these really quickly. You are welcome to fast forward through this part. Now I'm going to get one wrong just so you can see what happens. Got it wrong. It tells me the right answer. I'm going to press any key to continue. Orange, anaranjado, yellow, amarillo. It brings you to a screen like this, breaks it up into a small set. You are not done yet, however. You've got 7 into the familiar, 0 have been mastered yet. Gonna keep going. This is more than just multiple choice. Now you've got to start writing things in Spanish. I know that the word for blue in Spanish is azul. You shouldn't need any accents on this set, but if you do, you would just choose one of these symbols here. Pink. I really hope that's the one I chose. Yellow, amarillo. As you can see, as I'm getting these right, they are moving from familiar down into mastered. Gray is gris. White is blanco. Violet is violeta, and my last one just got removed from remaining into familiar, so now we're done with the multiple choice ones. I've got 7 left to practice, and 3 have been mastered. I'm going to press any key to go. Red, rojo, violet, violeta, gray is gris. As you can see, my familiar number is counting down and my mastered number is growing. Black is negro. Green is verde. Yellow is amarillo. Orange is anaranjado. I get to this screen, it says congratulations, you've learned everything, and then I'm going to click finish just to make sure that my scores are recorded. Over here you can see I have 0 remaining and 0 familiar. All 10 have been mastered. Once I click finish, I am done with Quizlet Learn, and you have completed that assignment for this week.